everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Surbhi Singh, and if you're watching my face for the first time, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification button for the latest updates. Now coming to this video is actually gonna help you like choose your correct department and as well as choose your correct campus, because I already made a video on it but YouTube wanted me to delete it, so I deleted it and I'm making another video. I don't know why. But yeah, welcome to this video, and I'll tell you about each of the campuses, their specifications and everything, and of course departments as well. I've already made a video on departments, like which department you should choose, FC, FD, AD, KD and whatever, so you can go through it once. And also who am I? So I am basically 2025. Okay, this is Surbhi from NIFT Hyderabad. Fashion communication was my department, and I recently graduated. Like, I have not yet got my degree, but I'll get it soon. And yeah, I got placed. I'm working here in Gurgaon from all the way Hyderabad. So hi, those of you who are new here, and let's start the video. So we'll go through a sequence. Like first I'll tell about each campuses, starting from NIFT Delhi, NIFT Mumbai, and then Bangalore, then Hyderabad, like sequence wise ऐसे. और फिर मैं कांगड़ा और रायबरेली ऐसे कुछ campuses में last में बताऊंगी. And then I'll tackle your questions, whatever you asked in comments or my Gmail पे जो भी आपने question send किया. So let's talk about NIFT Delhi first. So see, NIFT Delhi is really like topmost college, of course. But the only thing is, I have like since few years I have getting a lot of complaints, like there is not good faculties, there is no better teaching in some of the departments. Like it depends totally on the department. If you go for FC, I feel there are my friends, so they told me the faculties are good, like not on that standard. I can't tell you the exact word, but yeah, that is the problem. If we speak about AD, so AD also I have got some of my friends who just got placed in my company only, and she told me that lab is not great and the material and all those you have to bring, and the faculties are good but there are some problems. Of course I can't tell you the exact problems, but we'll rate it mediocre. Then let's talk about KD department. KD is somewhat good there. I have not got any inside complaints as of now because I researched, but there was no such very bad complaints. Let's talk about FD. So FD is something you have to work anyhow. If you go to any campus for FD, you have to work, because FD is that kind of department. You have to work anyhow because you have to put up the assignment. FD is so vast, like तुम किसी भी campus में जाओगे, you need to work. You have to show the assignments and you have to build up your portfolio at the end of the day. So you have to work. And of course FD is done. FCI talk, AD, KD. What is left now? Leather design? No, please. There were not students. Like last year कोई students थे ही नहीं, मतलब बहुत कम लोग थे. Like 15-16 were the people who took LD. So this was like as a situation चल रहा है LD का. But if you're really interested, then of course that's your choice, priorities. And let's talk about yeah, so this is NIFT Delhi, but department wise अगर ना जाए और placement या फिर internship के मामले में जाए, of course industries are there, vast amount of industries, retail stores, all these big companies. Placements first priority. I got placed from NIFT Delhi. Can you believe it? I'm from NIFT Hyderabad. I sat in NIFT Delhi and I got placed. So yeah, there were competitions. मतलब NIFT Delhi के तो पहले priority मिलते हैं. ऐसा होता है कि मतलब NIFT Delhi का है तो मतलब थोड़ा होता है. But ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको chance नहीं मिलेगा. You will get, of course, the chance depends on you. So NIFT Delhi, placement and all those things, you have to come up. तुम कहीं भी डिपार्टमेंट जाओगे तुम्हें दिल्ली आना ही पड़ेगा. सेंट्रलाइज है, प्लेसमेंट के लिए आना पड़ेगा. बट अगर तुम पीपीओ का सोच रहे हो, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हु आर इन एडी और लेट्स टेक एफडी पीपल, दे गो फॉर पीपीओ. सो ऑफ कोर्स दैट्स योर कॉल. I can't say anything. So this is NIFT Delhi. NIFT Mumbai is a very good campus. Talk about FC, they don't teach in most of the campuses, so it's your call. Other than these, NIFT Mumbai, you have a vast industry exposure. So of course you'll get a lot of things to learn. Internship अगर आप 2 बार करोगे, summer internship, graduation project, you'll get a lot of contacts as well. Mumbai is a place to build contacts. You can go into styling, you can go into UI UX, you can go into everything. Like there is a lot of industry in every sector. So Mumbai is really good. अगर तुम्हें industry में ज़्यादा वो चाहिए तो फैकल्टीज़ का देखा जाए तो मीडियोकर है यार, दैट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, स्टडी ऑन योर ओन, you'll get good things of course. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट बैंगलोर. सो बैंगलोर ऑफ कोर्स FC के लिए बहुत सही है, इंटर्नशिप्स बहुत सही मिलेंगे, एंड देन यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ UI/UX अपॉर्चुनिटी, कॉन्टैक्ट्स भी बिल्ड होंगे बहुत ज़्यादा. फैशन इज़ वन थिंग इन विच कॉन्टैक्ट मैटर्स अ लॉट. So at the end of the day, you have to make contacts. So just go for Bangalore if you are getting it. And FC is not great there also. And talking about FD, you have to work. So it depends on you. If you work, then that's great for you. AD, not good. I would say KD also is not good in Bangalore. But that's your call. You can go there. Now, let's talk about NEFT Hyderabad. My experience. It will be a bit longer than usual campus in this thing. So NIFT Hyderabad FC people, please be aware of all your choices, क्योंकि थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं है यार. I won't say कि मतलब मैं alumni हो तो मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल सकती, but FC is not great. But I have heard कि मेरे जो जूनियर जो बैचेस थे उनको पढ़ाना काफ़ी अच्छा कर दिया है, मतलब they are actually teaching them. So I feel now it's really good. FD, it was good. It was really good. Like we have faculties like Malini and Jyotirmay and all these people are there. I would name the faculty of course. And yeah, these people are really good. Accessory design was also, I would say 9 out of 10. It was good on me. KD was good. They had a lot of work to do, like whole college में बहुत सारा, and placements also काफ़ी अच्छा मिला है. NIFT हैदराबाद को मतलब जो KD वाले students थे उनको ज़्यादा preference दिया गया NIFT दिल्ली में. So of course NIFT हैदराबाद का KD better ही होगा. FC be aware, क्योंकि हमारे बैच में तो मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो गई. हमारे जो senior बैच थे they were like done. I'll never say someone to take FC from NIFT Hyderabad. But me, I would say just चले जाओ, मतलब सही है अगर खुद से पोर्टफोलियो बनाना है. Let's talk about me. So I was not only dependent on my faculties. I was studying on सोशल मीडिया से ऐसे कुछ ले लिया, ट्रेंड्स देख रही हूँ या फिर कुछ ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे भी सीख रही हूँ. सो सॉफ्टवेयर्स एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म से भी आप सीख सकते हो. डोंट डिपेंड अ लॉट ऑन फैकल्टीज़. और कॉन्टैक्ट्स बहुत बनाओ. हैदराबाद में ये बहुत ज़्यादा privilege है that you will make a lot of contacts, and Hyderabad is a place which is growing a lot. I mean, I am placed in Gurgaon, but I'm planning to go back to Hyderabad soon. So invest in your contacts to build up in Hyderabad, because it is growing and it will grow a lot, like soon, 5-6 years mein. So it will be the next Bangalore, Silicon Valley of course. So Hyderabad is a good place. Let's talk about NIFT Chennai. NIFT Chennai is really good. Your speaking and every skills would go like 5 है तो 10 हो जाएगा, and everything would be crazy. Like Chennai is good. Also, FD is great there. FC is also nice only in Chennai comparative to Delhi, Mumbai and Hyderabad. Chennai FC is good. AD and KD is also good. Like mostly, it depends on you as well. If you go there and don't work like anything, then you're done. Like you won't get anything. So it depends on you as well. Talking about NIFT Gandhinagar. NIFT गांधीनगर अच्छा है. इंडस्ट्री एक्सपोजर ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. आपको दिल्ली या फिर हैदराबाद या फिर मुंबई, बैंगलोर आके काम करना पड़ेगा इंटर्नशिप या फिर प्लेसमेंट के लिए. तो आपको दिल्ली जाना ही है. सो आप देख लो अगर गांधीनगर जाना है. बट फैकल्टीज वाइज इट्स ग्रेट. यू विल बी टॉट अ लॉट इन NIFT गांधीनगर. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट NIFT कोलकाता. सो NIFT कोलकाता मेजरली जो इंटर्नशिप करते हैं सारे स्टूडेंट्स वो दिल्ली आते हैं या तो बैंगलोर जाते हैं. सो इंटर्नशिप के लिए कोलकाता या फिर प्लेसमेंट के लिए बेटर नहीं है. बट दिस टाइम द हाईएस्ट प्लेसमेंट वाज गिवन टू दिस गर्ल फ्रॉम NIFT कोलकाता ओनली. शी वाज फ्रॉम आई थिंक KD और AD डिपार्टमेंट. सो शी गॉट 23 lakhs. सो इट वाज क्वाइट गुड. एंड NIFT कोलकाता की एक लड़की को हाईएस्ट प्लेसमेंट मिला 2025 में. सो यू कैन ऑब्वियसली रेफर टू इट. सो या फैकल्टीज़ काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, पोर्टफोलियो अच्छा बना रहे हैं, तो मतलब टीचिंग भी काफ़ी अच्छी हो रही है NIFT कोलकाता में. And NIFT Patna, let's talk about my hometown, NIFT Patna. So NIFT Patna is great. फैशन कम्युनिकेशन यार काफ़ी अच्छा चल रहा है. मतलब मैंने जहाँ अपने फ्रेंड्स का देखा ना NIFT फैशन कम्युनिकेशन का NIFT Patna का, सो इट वाज क्वाइट गुड. मतलब एक्सपोजर बिल्कुल नहीं है वहाँ पे, इंडस्ट्री बिल्कुल नहीं है NIFT Patna में, कि आसपास भी नहीं है. मतलब इट्स सिचुएटेड इन दैट लोकेलिटी. वहाँ बस स्टैंड है NIFT Patna में लिटरली. बट द पीपल हु आर वर्किंग देयर आर रियली गुड. लाइक द वर्क वाज ग्रेट. सो फैशन कम्युनिकेशन के लिए जा सकते हो NIFT Patna अगर आपको पढ़ना है. बट आपको इंडस्ट्री और ये सब के लिए आपको बैंगलोर या फिर हैदराबाद या फिर दिल्ली जाना पड़ेगा प्लेसमेंट के लिए, ऑफ कोर्स फिर से मूव करना पड़ेगा दिल्ली, बैंगलोर एंड दिस मुंबई. एंड अदर डिपार्टमेंट्स आर ऑल्सो गुड. निफ्ट पटना इज़ बिकेम लाइक 4th पोजीशन पे आ गया था निफ्ट पटना कुछ टाइम के लिए, बट फिर अभी थोड़ा लेवल डाउन हुआ है उसका. निफ्ट पटना इज़ गुड. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट उसके नीचे जो भी बचे हैं. सो दीज कैंपसेस आर गुड गाइज. लाइक आई हैव सीन निफ्ट रायबरेली, कांगड़ा पीपल वर्किंग देयर. So like they are good. I mean these people portfolio were great. So I feel like faculties काफ़ी मेहनत कर रहे हैं इन पे. So they are really seeing each students कि हाँ ये ऐसे कर रहा है, ये ऐसे कर रहा है. So ऐसा मत सोचो कि छोटे कैंपस है तो मतलब कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. No, they are actually taught, like actually taught. Faculties classroom में आते हैं, उनको सिखाया जाता है. I have seen FC people, उनका portfolio एक level पे था. And they have portfolio design as well, and we have that subject, but I never studied anything in it. So they have a proper thing to build up a resume, a portfolio, and in today's world it's very important that you come up with the resume which is like industry expected and expectations के ऊपर हो. हमारा पोर्टफोलियो या फिर रिज्यूमे ऐसा नहीं था यार, क्योंकि हमें सिखाया ही नहीं गया. हमें बस कंपनी में से ऐसे छोड़ दिया गया कि जॉब प्लेसमेंट ले लो अपना ऐसे. सो हमारे में तो हुआ नहीं, बट आई श्योरली suggest to you guys that you definitely go with some smaller campuses because मतलब department और faculties अच्छे हैं उधर. And also you should consider smaller campuses if even you are getting like अपने choice का department, क्योंकि 4 साल के बाद आपको आपका department साथ देगा, campus नहीं. Okay, you will be known as a fashion communication person, you will be known as a UI UX designer, you will be known as a fashion designer, you'll be known as an accessory designer, not an accessory designer from NIFT Hyderabad or a NIFT Ahmedabad. So your department matters a lot. So choose your department, not a campus. Priorities बनाओ अपनी. अगर internship या फिर placement के लिए आपको move forward या फिर दूसरे city में move करना कोई problem नहीं है, then go for smaller campuses. You'll have a great ambience, mountains and everything, plus good faculties. Plus you can, for internship and placement, of course you are able to travel, then you can travel. And portfolio वगैरह सारा कुछ अच्छा होगा यार, मतलब देखा जाए तो. And at the end of the day department is the only thing which matters. Department की वजह से ही जाने चाहोगे किसी भी industry में जाओगे तो. So this was the thing. I feel it helped you guys, and any more question you can surely comment below. And this was my thing. I'm sure you might have your own priorities, and according to that you'll choose your campus or your department. So it's up to you, but that's my suggestion. Like according to 4-5 years I have made this decision. So I have been into your place, I have tackled that. That's why I wanted to just help you guys. So surely you can go forward with and let me know where all you got and which department you got. I am very excited to know your results. So thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the next one. Bye.